Welcome back, everybody. We're going to do, if you got the last video, I was going to do an overview on this truck. My 94 Chevy 4x4. It's not the Z71, but that's alright. So yeah, kind of like an overview when I first got this truck. Got in Wisconsin Rapids. It wasn't lifted like this. And came with the tonneau cover and a topper on it, and well, not both at the same time obviously, but came with both of those or whatever, and bought it for a pretty good price. Didn't do too much to it besides a little body lift and tires. Tires are 32s, yeah, 32. I kind of want to put 35s on it, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see about that. I don't know. But yeah, had it for quite some time now. I got, being a stupid kid that I am, I got in an accident with it, and I smashed from the back of the, well, it was the front of the driver's door here all the way to the around the gas tank area, and yeah, I totally smashed in the cab. Couldn't fix it, so I had to switch cabs on it, which is kind of an ordeal. I bought a donor truck, and yeah, I took the cab off of that, took everything out of it. Had a guy paint it and stuff like that, and did all that. He did all that work. He painted it and stuff like that, and then I obviously put everything back in. And the thing about my original truck was that it was a bench seat, and I really wanted I really like these trucks, and I really wanted a bucket seat and center console. And wouldn't you know it, the donor truck that I got had a bucket seat, center console, and it came with a, be honest with you, a crappy sunroof. But yeah, it came with a gray center console. But I was out in California, and I found myself a maroon one, and I eventually want to do these seats maroon, obviously, so it matches or whatever. And the original headliner from the other truck, I cut it out and so it could fit the sunroof, and I did all that work there or whatever. I put everything back together. I Herculined the underneath. Yeah, you probably can't see it, but yeah, but I Herculined the underneath. If you don't know about Herculiner 2, man, it's a great product. Not getting endorsed or anything by it, but I did my, I don't know if you can see, I did my inside of my fenders with that Herculiner stuff. That's been there for how long? I'd say almost 4 years now. It's grayed a little bit, but I mean, it's held up, and I did the frame as much as I could with it, and I didn't get the best job. I was doing it pretty fast at the time, but yeah, it's held up pretty well. I really like it. If you're gonna do a do-it-yourself undercoating, the Herculiner, I think, is the way to go. But of course, you know, do your research and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, it's not a bad product. So I actually did the whole frame. I don't know if you can see in there too. I did obviously both sides, and then I won't show you the underneath because you probably won't see it either. But I did the back here. This is newer than the front. This is only about a year and a half old, but it's still, I prepped it all and all that kind of stuff, whatever. That's really what you need to do, is prep it really well. I got it on the inside of the box here, and it's kind of peeling because I didn't do my prep work very good. So make sure you scuff it up well and all that kind of stuff before you before you apply it. I did my I don't know if you can see it either, but I did my axle and underneath my box itself. I don't know if you probably can't see that either, but yeah, I got some new parts out of the California junkyard, which, I mean, they're obviously not new, but they're new to Wisconsin standards. So, and then another thing was came with this sweet little pinstriping on the back. I've screwed it up over the years, this little bit right here and that and a couple other things, but yeah, it's pretty cool pinstriping. I don't know who did it, but looks pretty cool. So Gilbert. But tonneau cover I still have on it, and yeah, I'm not gonna start it up. If you know what it's got a 350 in it. If you know what a 350 sounds like, obviously I'm not gonna. You know what it sounds like, so. But got my whippies on it. Need to redo the lights though. They're all nasty and grayed out, especially with the headlights. Oh man, those are the worst. I mean, just those are terrible. I don't know if it comes through well, but oh my gosh, they're just disgusting. I'm gonna get like the clear ones or something like that. I don't know, and put like a film on them or something like that. And yeah, show you the inside here on the other side. I did took door panels off the original doors and put them back on. Had a little trouble. They're kind of coming off because of these clips or whatever. I gotta glue the clips before I put them all the way in and stuff. So yeah, CB down there for my whips, power inverter. Don't quite have everything in because the back top there, I don't know, it just fits differently than my old cab. I don't know why, but whatever. Carpet, original carpet for my original truck. Yeah, nothing too special. So, but it's held up this far. So, alrighty. Well, thanks for watching. See you on the next episode.